In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Outlook 2026 for beginners. We'll walk through signing in, sending your first email, keeping your inbox organized, and making the most of calendar, contacts, and your to-do lists. All in a clear and simple flow. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Outlook website or launching the Outlook app if you have it installed. You'll see the sign-in screen. Enter your email address and your password to access your mailbox. If you're on a shared device, make sure you sign out when you're done and consider using extra security features to keep your account safe. If your mailbox isn't connected yet in the desktop app, open Outlook and go to the File menu, then choose Add Account. Type in your email address, follow the prompts, and let Outlook finish the setup. Most accounts configure automatically, so you won't need to enter server details. Once you're in, you're ready to send your first message. Click New Email or press Ctrl+N on Windows or Command+N on Mac. Add your recipients in the to line, include a clear subject so your message is easy to spot, then write your email in the body. You can format text and, if needed, add recipients in CC or BCC for visibility and privacy. When everything looks good, click Send. A quick tip before sending: double check names and spellings in the to line and keep your subject short but descriptive. To keep your inbox tidy, create folders that match how you work, like projects, clients, or receipts. You can right-click your mailbox to make a new folder, then drag and drop messages into place. For ongoing organization, set up rules so similar emails move automatically where they belong. Great for newsletters, notifications, or team updates. Use Archive to clear clutter without deleting, and take advantage of search and filters at the top of the mailbox to find messages quickly. When it's time to plan your day, switch to Calendar View. Here you can add appointments for personal reminders or schedule meetings with others. Pick the date and time, add a title, location, or link, and invite attendees so everyone gets the event and can respond. If you work across regions, verify the time zone to avoid conflicts. You can also view shared calendars side by side to coordinate schedules. Finally, keep your address book and tasks in order with the dedicated sections. In contacts, store details like names, emails, and notes, so sending messages later is effortless. In your to-do area, create tasks, set due dates and reminders, and flag important emails so they appear on your list. That's it. Sign in, compose, organize, plan, and track. With these essentials, Outlook becomes a powerful hub for your day.